Malfitano and welcome to My Choice Kitchen! This is a space for choosing joy. Today, I thought it'd be fun to prepare something that's very easy for my sweetheart, Danny Green. We just had a nice dinner, so I thought, okay, let's come into the studio and let's make something easy, and he's gonna join us later. You know what this is? Can you tell? It's kind of hard to see. Sandia, or watermelon. It's in the middle of summer. It is super duper hot, and so I thought I'm gonna make a super simple 5-minute watermelon sorbet. To make this recipe, you need 3 simple ingredients. Number 1, watermelon. We're gonna talk about how to prep it in a second. Second ingredient, another type of fruit. In this case, I'm using frozen pineapple, but you can use frozen strawberries too. Third ingredient, well, we need some type of citrus. You can use lime juice, orange juice, grapefruit, but this happens to be my maracas, so we'll save it for our dance party. In this case, today, we're using lime juice. Okay, are you ready to start cooking? Let's go! Let's start with the watermelon. So I diced this up into small cubes and placed it in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag, okay? I froze this overnight. And now it's a solid rock, so I have to get these into small chunks again. And there's one really good way to do it. It's take this bag, make sure it's zipped closed, which it is, and...
Wait.
Now, it's in pieces.
You scared the dog.
I know I did. Boo, are you okay? She's okay. Now we have small chunks of frozen watermelon. I'm gonna use about 3 cups of this, and it's gonna get right into our handy dandy food processor. Here we go. Now back into the freezer it goes. Okay, our second ingredient. We need some other type of frozen fruit. I love frozen pineapple. It's like my favorite thing. I sometimes just eat it right out of the bag. And it's so good. It's super sweet. The watermelon by itself, not so sweet, so we're gonna add some of this. 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. That's probably good. One more, the lime, the acid. We need a little bit of lime juice and our cosmic cool paring knife. Now, I'm gonna use a lime cheek. Here's how I do it. Take my knife very carefully, cut the side. What you're left with is a beautiful lime cheek. It's a lime cheek. Why do I call it a lime cheek? I don't know, because it looks like a cheek. And there's no seeds, and it yields a ton of juice. Look at this. Just from the side, because there's no ribs and no seeds. No ribs, no seeds. Lots of juice. Now, if you want, you can add sugar. I don't personally eat a lot of sugar or enjoy sugar at nighttime, so I try to just do fruit. However, if you wanted to make this extra super duper sweet, you can use maple sugar, coconut sugar, date syrup, honey, or you can even use coconut milk if you want this a little sweet and a little creamy. We're making watermelon and pineapple, sandia and piña sorbet, watermelon and pineapple sorbet. So we're gonna keep it super, super clean and healthy and very light. Here we go. Halfway through, give it a mix. Oops. I keep having to stir it every couple of seconds because I see that on the bottom it's getting nice and smooth and mixed. and turning into sorbet on the bottom. On the top, it's staying chunky. And I want to make sure that there can be a little bit of chunk, but I want to make sure it's nice and smooth, or as smooth as we can get it. So here we go. 4th time's a charm. Perfect. Now this is a really great consistency. I'm gonna place it inside of a container here, because I don't think we'll eat the whole thing. Whatever you don't eat, you just keep it in the freezer and let it thaw for about 5 minutes before you serve, and it will get back to its normal smooth, silky sorbet consistency once it thaws. I place this in the freezer for about 5 minutes just to harden it slightly, and it's ready to be scooped. So I'm gonna take my ice cream scooper. Just get a nice big scoop of the sorbet right into your bowl. Danny, 2 scoops or 1?
2 scoops.
You got it. Here's your watermelon sorbet.
Thank you.
Welcome. Hope you like it.
We're gonna have any gratitude?
Yeah, let's take a moment to give this food a little gratitude. Thank you.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do it. It's fruity.
It's fruity and cold.
Yeah,
It's nice.
definitely. I mean that the watermelon is like frozen watermelon that's mushed up.
With pineapple and a little lime. The lime really works. And this fruit like gave us like sweetness, nutrients, antioxidants, right? I mean, like watermelon, it's like this, it starts from a tiny black seed, and then it gives this beautiful, huge fruit. I really like this sorbetto. It's nice.
Sorbetto.
It's the Italian word.
Oh,
And I was using the Spanish word sandia y piña, sorbetto.
I know.
I was like making
liked
it
it.
Spanish and Italian.
I like when you said that because you raise your eyebrows when you say it. You say sandia.
I guess I do whenever I use Spanish words like sandia, piña, or maracas. We really hope that you liked this recipe. I especially hope that you like this recipe because I hope that you like all my recipes, and I hope that you like all the food cooked here at My Choice Kitchen. And if you did, come back for more. We have a ton in store for you here, right here, every single week. And until next time, you know what I like to say.
Oh, you do have a phrase.
Let's rejoice in choice, because it's amazing to have choice. Thank you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye, friends.
I'm having a brain freeze.